Bforartists to Quickstart Rendering, background light and hdri. For speed purposes I will use Eevee here and switch to cycles when we are done and do the final rendering. We need the viewport shading rendered here, and with cycles it would always take a short moment to update the image. Eevee is much faster. When we want to render an image, then we need light in our scene. This can be done by lamps. We already have one here. Let's remove it. It is not about the lamps here, but the background light. As you can see, the scene is not black, as you would expect when no light is in the scene. This background light is hidden in the shading tab in the world settings. And here we have a background node. And this is our light source. Let's switch to rendered here too. And when we turn this one down to 0, then our scene is finally completely black. Here you could change the color of the background color. Let's set this back to 1. This is also the place to add a hdri image to light the scene if you want, an environment texture to use it for lighting. It is not done to simply drag the image into the node editor and connect it, because then an important part is missing, the mapping. As you can see, this is one color dot now. So go to Input and add an environment node. Disconnect this one and choose our hdri. And now the scene is lit by our image. When you want the hdri to light the scene, but don't want to show it in the background, go to Output Properties, Output Panel, and tick Transparent. Then the background doesn't render.